The Academy of Astrology and the Tradition Journal invite you to participate in the Animodar Project, the first global research project of traditional astrology. The aim of this project is to collect as many nativities as possible and then to apply the traditional rectification method of Animodar to them using a computer program specially created for this purpose. Everybody with very accurate birth data is invited to contribute. These horoscopes will be, for the most part, of children whose birth times have been carefully noted and or are still fresh in the memories of parents or family. The Animodar is a traditional rectification method by which an uncertain or unknown birth time can be ascertained. It involves the syzygy, that is, the new or full moon prior to birth. This method claims that the numerical degree of the ascendant or MC of the birth chart will be the same or very close to the numerical value of the degree in which the planet ruling the syzygy is posited. For instance, if the ruler of the syzygy prior to birth is, say, Venus at 19 degrees Sagittarius, then either the MC or the ascendant of the nativity should be found near 19 degrees of the natal sign. Apart from its potential use in rectification, we are also interested to see if the induced birth or other intervention affects the results of this technique. Therefore, we need to know, for example, if the birth occurred at its natural time or if by some intervention the date or time was brought forward or delayed. Our own research so far has demonstrated that this method, which was very popular in centuries past, has great potential. In order to test this, we need a very large number of nativities with known birth times. We will of course publish the results so that all astrologers might know whether the Animodar is a useful tool or not. To participate, you just have to submit accurate data, and you can do this by completing the online form. Please be particularly careful about the time of birth, for this is the most important factor in this study. It is also very important to note the circumstances of the birth, whether it was natural, caesarean section or some other intervention. Please also note the source of the birth data, for example, birth certificate, personal memory or some other written record and so on. Be aware that we have no way of contacting you should you complete the form incorrectly, and we'll have to discard it. The results will be published in the autumn issue of the Tradition Journal, and for more details please refer to the Tradition website. And should you have any queries, don't hesitate to contact us at the Tradition. One very important point: your privacy will be respected. The form has no name fields, as the study centres on birth data and circumstances of birth. Neither the native's nor the contributor's identity is relevant, and we do not ask for such information. We look forward to your participation.